Yeah, what's up, guys? My name is Abdul Moiz, and I'm doing a database tutorial on the basic stuff of database. So I know this is a long video, but hopefully after watching this video, you will know most of the stuff that will help you in the test and upcoming test and examination. So let's do this. And for this tutorial, I'm using winter 2010 paper number 2, and the database questions in this paper starts from question number 25. So using a suitable data package, import the file n10eks comma separated value. So let's open a new database, new access window, and let's see, we click on blank desktop database, and then we'll import the files. Click on external data and text file, and we'll browse where our files are. So here it is, and we'll open it. Alright, so now we'll just let it be like this, and we'll see that we'll see if the first row contains field names. So now you can see that these the columns do contain, the first row does contain the field name, because over here in the third column you can see size, and then below them you can see the value with their respected values of the product. So that shows that the first row does contain the field name. So you take this one and leave it to commas. But sometimes the first row doesn't contain the field names, so I recommend not blindly ticking this option. You have to first check. Now click next, and yeah, for this purpose I'm not actually going into the advanced menu and changing the data type, then because I can do it later in the more easily in the design view. And I think it's a personal preference that I can do it. It's more easy in the design view than over here. So I'll just click next, and I'll let access add the primary key. And because I'm letting access add the primary key, it will make a new field called id, and it doesn't make any difference to the files. And I think yeah, it doesn't make any difference to the file. So we'll just click next and finish. So close, and we have a table. You click open. So let's see what does the question say next. So it says that align the following data types to the fields. So let's do this. So like I told you before, that I can do it more easily in the design view. So let's go there and align it. The first two are text, make and model are text. So we'll ignore id and make more, they're already text, so we'll leave them, and we'll go to size. Size is numerical and 1 decimal, and price is currency 2 decimal. This one is numerical, this one is currency, so we'll just change it. We'll make the size 1 decimal. It's auto, so we'll click it, drop down menu, and 1. This one is 2, so drop down menu and 2. That's it. Now where is it? now we go to the next one. The next 3 are all texts, so we'll see if, yeah, all of them are text, so we leave them as it is. The last one is logical, so we'll go yes and no. That is logical, and format is yes and no, so we'll leave it like that. Okay, so what's the next step? Make sure that you use these field names. You may add another field as a primary key if your software requires this. So like I told before, access has already added another key called another field called id, so we'll leave it as it is. So save a screenshot showing the field names and data type used. Print a copy of this. Okay, so there are 2 ways of taking a screenshot. The first one is pressing the print screen key on the top of your keyboard, just beside the scroll lock key. So this one is that one is one method. And once you press the print screen key, you can just open a blank Microsoft Word, and then just paste it. So let me show you. Open it, and now I pressed the print key, and then I can go and paste it. Yeah, you can see that. Now I can crop it, and yeah, crop, and then I can crop it. So I can choose only this one. This is the evidence I need, and that's it. That's it. So I'll leave it like that. So here it is. And the second method is I use snipping tool, this one, and then this one is much easier. Personally, I like this one better because it's more easy and you have less work to do. I just click on new and then select the evidence. That's it. Copy this and then paste it over here. So this way you don't need to crop anything. See? So now you're done. You can close this one. Snipping tool and okay. So we'll go to the next step. Yeah. So the next step is that we have to insert the following three records in the what do you say, database. So in the table. So we go to we change the view into database view. Okay, we save it first. We'll just ignore this message because that's what the paper says, and nothing happens if something is lost. So now over here, so how to add the table, the new values is that we go to the bottom of the table and just over here we just start adding up the new inserting the new values, and then we'll have them. So now I will pause the video and insert them for you so I can save time. So now you can see that I've already inserted the values over here: vapor, airbrush, airrush, best, and airrush. So see, so it says check your data entry for errors. That basically means that you check the what you have inserted is correct or not. Save the data. I'm gonna save the data from save. That's it, and go back. Now it says produce a report which. So before doing this, I'm gonna show you something else that is important in because this is the most difficult question in the whole paper. So let me show you a tip on doing this. So here we are, and this is typical database practice tasks. So these are the tasks of completing a database question by step in the recommended order. So we have already done these tasks and add more records to data. That's what we just did right now. And produce a report based on query results. So that means that we have to make a query before making a report. So that means it says in the question paper that we have to make a report. That means we have to make a query first. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And the second tip is so the second tip is that you must be able to determine the difference between a query and a report in this task. In short, any task which sounds like you need to search for information are tackled within the query. That means anything that it says the sorting or criteria or anything with that within that is done within the query. Any task which sound like they're talking about the display of information should be tackled within the report. So that means about the display, like page, the size of the page, landscape or portrait, or the order of information, that all can be done within the report. So keeping this in mind, let's go and see what we can do. It says produce a report which contains a new field called order in which is calculated at runtime. This field will calculate price multiplied by 3. So this can be done in the query itself because we have the option of making a new field in the query. So we'll just select this and create. Where is it? Query wizard. I recommend query wizard. It's much easier than the query design. So simple query wizard. We'll click on this one, so it will bring all the fields over here. It will select all the fields. So next. Now on this in this one we'll select this detail option because we are not making a summary query. We are not making a summary report. We are making a detailed one. So we'll click on it. But if we are making a summary report, then we'll click on this one. Now for now we are making a detailed one, so we click on detailed one and we'll do next. Now it says, we let the default title, and it says So I'm gonna select the modify the query design because it will be easier then to modify it. Finish. Now we have ourselves a query. So we go at the last and we have to create a table. So this is how to create a new field. So let's see what the question paper says. It says that this field will calculate price multiplied by 3. So we'll do that first. Yeah, so to create a new field, we must do we must write what the function, what's the function of the field. So over here it's price multiplied by, and you can see that price is a field over here, individual field. Yeah, over here. So we write price multiplied by 3, like it says in the question paper. Price multiplied by 3. So we'll do that and we'll click enter. Now over here it says, yeah, we have this something called xpr1. So we'll just erase this and write our field name, that is order. See, order. So now we have done this. The next step is has order field set to currency with 2 decimal places. So we'll just go and edit the see the properties and yeah, select the format, which is currency, or the data type, and by default it has 2 decimal places, so we don't need to do anything. Close this and see what the next step is. Shows only the record where number is less than 2 and stock item is yes. So this step can be done in the query criteria column, so criteria row. So we'll go back to the query and we'll see it says number in the number column, it is less than show all the fields that is there, show all the let me see, yeah, show all the records where number is less than 2 and stock is yes. So keep that in mind and we'll go in number criteria less than 2, that means yeah, this one, less than 2, and stock item is yes. So write yes in capital. Yeah, that done. Show all the field in the label in full. This can be done in the report. Okay, if it's on a single page, report. This can also be done in the report, but it can also be done over here. So let's go and see how to do that. It says ascending order of make. Go to make, sort, ascending. Here it goes. Yeah. Now calculate the total value. This can be done in the report section, so we'll leave it now. Calculate the total value of kites to be ordered. Show this total value at the bottom of order column. Format this total value to currency with no decimal places. Has the label total order of value for the total value. So let's make a report first and then we can do this. Select the query you're gonna make the report from, create and report wizard. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot one step. yeah, the thing is that see, this field belongs to this table. Okay, now when we have introduced this field, we need to assign a table for it. So we're gonna assign this table for it, and now we're gonna create a report. Because see, I've tried this method. I tried this before, and if we don't assign a table for it, this field won't end up in the report. So it's important, and it's really important to remember it to assign a table for it. So now we can go and make a report. Create and report. Wait, what do you say? You must save. Okay, let's save it. Create. What is this? You must save the query before you can create a new object based on it. Okay, yeah, I want to save it. What's this? I have no idea what is this. Oh yeah, so that error was caused because of something over here. So I just erased all of this and typed it again. So now let's create a query. Let's create a report from report wizard. Oh, it's still there. Let me see. Yeah. So now put all the fields on this side. Next. Okay. Yeah. Now over here on the step we saw that. Yeah. Over here it says that ascending order of make. So we can do that. Right, make. Yeah. Next. I think we'll leave it to tabular, and the orientation is landscape as it says in the question. okay, and fits on a white single page white. So let's see that fits on a, yeah, it says this is option, we just let it be. Next, and modify a report design. It will be easy to modify that. Okay, finish. So now we have created ourselves a report, and let's go into the layout view, and we can see that this report is pretty messy. And so now I'm gonna fix it up, and we'll see how I fix it up. So to fix it up, I'm gonna show you that once you click on the title, and then press shift and click on this one. So click on the below the title thing, and so you selected all of the column. Now you can just use your arrow keys on the keyboard and make wherever you want them to be. I'm just gonna drag them all together. That will create space, and you can see that some of the columns, some of the heading is cut. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring them together and sort them out. So almost done. Yeah, you can see this is cut, and then I'll just expand this number thing. Oh wait, yeah. Bring them together and bring this thing in the middle because it doesn't look good. This one is also cut, and I'm gonna expand this. Oh, what just happened? I think I need to move it a little bit further. You can see this in the use column. This is, it's getting left behind. So so instead of expanding the width, I can also do something else. I can expand the and raise and do. I can do something else. That is, let me go to the design menu, view, and where is it? Use. Yeah. So yeah, I can make it a little bit big. So instead of taking space horizontally, it will take space vertically. So let's see how that affects us. So oh wait, it didn't affect. Ah, damn. So leave it. We'll do it. We'll just expand it. Oh yeah, so I made an error up there. I was expanding the the page header, so that was wrong. I should expand the detail column in the use. So I'm just gonna drag it down and then expand it a bit, so it will take more space horizontally. Let's see how that goes. Where am I? Oh yeah. Wait, what's happening? Oh yeah, see, it doesn't take space horizontally. Now it's taking space vertically, so that's cool. And let's go ahead, layout, so we can edit it. That's it. So I'll make it less messier now. Expand this a bit more and bring it together. So you can also do this. What you can also do is go to home and align them together so it looks a bit more neat, like this, right? So now it looks more neat than before, and that's cool. And let's see what the next step is. So it is calculate the total number of kites to be ordered. Oh yeah, calculate the total number of kites to be ordered. Show list value at the bottom of the order column. So that is right over, let me see, That is right over here. We have to show the total of the kites order right over here. Format this total value to currency with no decimal places. Has the label total order value for the total value. So this is a bit difficult, but you can do it. Let's go. Yeah, for this we need to go to the design view, and since this is the bottom of the page, we need to go at page footer. And oh yeah, I have to show another tip, so I'll show you now. Yeah, see, page header means for information that you only want to display once at the top of the page of each page. For information that you want to display once at the bottom of each page, that's page footer, and that's what we need right now. Detail for information that you want to display over and over. For example, every piece of information should be displayed one after the other until we have nothing left to show. So we'll use this one also, and now we are using this one. So let's see. Okay, so we are back at the database, and yeah, so we have to make so now we have to make total of the order values. So we'll just use label for the label. Let's go and see what's the label. The label is total value, the total order value, so we'll copy it and paste it over there. Yeah, that's done. Now we have to see the difference between a label and a text box is that in a label it's like a label, and the text box is like a small text box that you insert the formula inside. Okay, so we'll use a text box over here, and just below the order we'll write the formula. It says show the total value at the bottom of the column, order column. So I'll just go there and write sum. Oh, these functions are just like Excel functions, so let me show you how that goes. See, so in the exam you will be asked to use one of the several possible types of calculation within your report. There is sum, that means if the question requires you to total the field. Count, if the question requires you to count the number of records in each field. Average for max, the highest number within a field. Minimum, min, you just write min, used to find the lowest number within a field. So with that done, we need the sum because we need the total of a field. So we'll just go and write total. Yeah, and write is equal to, remember this is it's like Excel, so we just do it like that. Sum, and yeah, we have to write the field name. So what's the field name? It's order. That done. Oh, I misspelled it. Order. See, the formula is gone, and now it's done. So we'll go and see how that goes in the layout view. Yeah. Oh wait, let me expand it a bit more. I don't know, for some reason it just it displays this error. I don't know for what reason, because I checked the marking scheme and the formula is just like this. So I think this problem is unique with my software. There might be a bug or something. So I don't know why, but it should work out in your Microsoft Access. So we'll just ignore this one error and assume that this has it has given a correct value of this. So we'll just skip to the next part, and it says include the heading cards we need to restock at the top of the page. This one is the easiest, and we'll just go at the top and rename this. It was kites we need to restore. That's it. And bring it in the middle using the arrow keys. And that done, let's see what's the next step. Oh yeah, has your name, serial number, candidate number on the left footer on the left footer of each page. So that is easy, and we go in the design menu, and oh, it's not design menu, yeah, design menu and left footer. Oh yeah, so remember, don't erase this one and write your candidate number and all that. You have to delete the whole textbook, because sometimes it may create some problems, and to be on the safe side, just use a label. And so I'm not gonna write my candidate number and serial number. I'm just gonna copy paste this. You write your own. So okay, so now let's go and see what happens. So as you can see, we have the information. Let's go on the next step. Oh yeah, so we save and print this. Now save and print this. Okay, fine. what is the next step? Produce labels from all the data. So now it says from all the data, so our current query is useless right now. So it says, oh yeah, so we first will create the query. No, wait, let me read this. Fit two side by side on the page. Show the records where use contain kitesurf and the stock item is yes. Okay, so this can be done in the query criteria. And show only field make. Okay, this can also be done in the query criteria. You can select and deselect all these option in the query and display the field name as well as data. Okay, this can be done in the in the label form, and are sorted into ascending order in the query. Include the special. Okay, so now we'll do this one, which can be done in the query. We have to produce a query first, because if you let me open that picture again. Yeah, over here it says once produce another query and produce labels summaries of information based on the query results. So before making labels or summaries or report, we have to create another query. So let's do that. Okay, so now we have to create another query, and we'll just go on the back to the table and create another query. Where is it? Oh yeah, query is that new query. Okay, bring them all over here. Yeah, detail. Okay, so now we are again over here. This one is query 1. Okay, it's a new query, and let's see what it says over here. It says, yeah, show only the records where use contain kitesurf. So let's see. This is use contains kitesurf. Only use contains kitesurf. Okay, stock item is yes, and skill level is not beginner. So let's see what we can do over here. Yeah, where's use? Over here, and the criteria is kitesurf. Yeah, so we write kitesurf and take really be really careful about spelling, because if you misspell kite surf, none of the records will show up, because none of them have kitesurf. The misspell kitesurf, so that's why. Then what was it? Stock item is yes. Next is, oh yeah, skill level is not beginner, so we'll go there. Skill level not beginner. Oh wait, I misspelled it. Not beginner. So let me show you another picture regarding this. Where is it? Yeah, about the not option. The not criteria tells access that you are looking for every other record apart from the word included within the not criteria. In this example, there were 3 types of record held in the skill level field: beginner, intermediate, and experience. Including beginner within the not criteria excludes it from the search, and access will only look for records containing intermediate and experience. So that's it, and let me show you another one. Not this one. Alright, so that's it. Oh yeah, that's what I told you. To make sure that you're typing the correct words in the query, always check the data in the table to see how it is spelled or word. So for example, if you misspelled it, and that in the record there are none, as nothing will appear in the records because there's no such word, because you misspelled it. So let's screw that and go back. Oh yeah, not beginner, so I think the spelling is correct. So now we can go on to our layout menu and see how that goes. See, the records are reduced to our criteria. So let's see what we have to do next. Okay, now we can all the query tasks are done. So now we can go on to make the labels, as it says over here. Let's go back to access and create a label. Where is it? Oh wait, let me see. I forgot where the labels are. Oh yeah, over here, label. So it says, let me see what it says. Yeah, it says fit 2 side by side on a page. So let's see. Yeah, number across 2. So this is the perfect for us, and I'm not gonna mess anything with it, so we'll just do next. Oh yeah, sheet feed. We have because we are printing on a paper, we have to do sheet feed. Continuous is for continuous stationery, so we'll just click next. And alright, I recommend not messing with this because all of them are good and nice, and we'll get full marks anyways. Oh yeah, this one is a bit complicated, so let me show you how to do this. Let me see from the past paper what we need. So it says over here that, where is it? Yeah, show only field, make, model, size, price, and wind condition, each on a separate line. Oh yeah, so it says that show only field, make, model, size, and price, wind condition on this each separate line. So let's go to the thing. Oh yeah, so make. Okay, no, wait, delete it. We write make first, and then no, put this thing apostrophe, and yeah. So this way it will say make, and then it will show the value that is in the make column. So you will see the effect later when I make the label, that label. So in the next line it's model, so I write model, and oh wait, yeah, and next one size. Let me see if that size or not. Size, price, and win condition. Okay, size. Oh shit. No. Size, where is it? Yeah, and then size next. Next one, price, then price next. No, not this one, it's win condition, so we'll do that one. So wind condition, and oh wait, and then wait, oh yeah, it's correct, and this one next. So that's done, and we'll do next. Hey, wait a second, let me see, what does the report say? Oh shit, it says we have to include the heading special offer for kite surfers. So we can do it right over here also in the next one. There are two ways to do this. One is to actually create a label, and after that go in the design menu and you can do it, and you can do it over here also. So I think it's easier over here, so let's go back and put oh wait, why can't I put a space bar? Come on. Oh, looks like I can't do it right now over here, because if I copy pasted the heading over here first, I can do it, but no problem, I can do it in the in the design menu also. So if you're doing this step, so make sure to copy paste the heading over here of the label, and then do this one, because I forgot I can't do it right now, so I'll just click on next. And oh yeah, sort by, let me see what does the question paper say about that. Display field, okay, ascending order of size. So let's go back, size and what is this? You can sort your table once a field. You might want to sort more than one field. What is this bullshit? You just click next. Label, okay. Modify the label design, because we have to modify the label design. Finish. So first I want to see where is it? Oh, it's in the key. What? Let me go in the. Hey, where is it, man? Oh yeah. Let me go in the. Yeah. So this is not what we expected. So yeah, this is the effect of writing make first and then putting this. So we have this, our labels over here. Size, for example, size is like this. If I only selected size over here and then did not write another one, so only 1.8 will come and not this one. So the examiner won't know what category it belongs to. So we have to edit this and get it two side by side. So we can do it right now. Go on the design view, and let me see. Oh yeah, detail, no. Page header, no. Yeah, let's go on detail. Expand this. Come on. What is this? select them all and bring them down. Yeah, and we'll have some space for the the label which says special offer on kite. So we're gonna use another label, the text one over here, label, and paste it over here. Ta-da! Oh, hey, what's this? The categories have collided into each other. Oh, what's that? What happened? What the hell just happened? Hey, how do I undo? Where is it? Hey, what is happening? Let's go back and see what's shit. Let's go in design view and let's see what did I mess up. Oh yeah, so it seems that the values are hiding behind each other, so I have to kind of find them. Hey, where did the sword go? Let me find them. Oh yeah, so I'm back. I found all of them together, so now I'm gonna select them all and make some space for the heading. Bring them together down and then click over here and go to where is it? Oh yeah, select the label. That's it, and I'm gonna paste it. So here we go. We have this ourselves pretty nice label. So oh yeah, I have to decrease the size so both of them will fit together. Let me see how that goes. Oh shit, we're not having those side by side, so I'm not sure how to do that. So let me make the labels again. So I have to repeat the step and I'll show you what did I do wrong. Oh yeah, so I'm back over here and I'm producing another label. So this time I included the title over here, so I won't be in the same mess that I was before. So let's do next and sort by size, or we can just skip this part. Or I think we're gonna skip this part. Go back because I don't know about this one. I don't know what's going on. So finish. Let's see. Oh yeah, finally we have this. So now let's see what the question paper says next. Oh yeah, see our labels, they look similar to this. It doesn't matter that. Oh wait, how many are them in one page? 1 2 3 4 by 4. Let me see. Oh, it looks like we are having some more of them. Oh, this can be dealt very easily. Wait, go to home. Oh no, just click on this one, design. Oh yeah, so now you can just wait. Yeah, so now you can just increase the wait, which one was, yeah, this one is R. So we'll go in design one and we'll just increase the space for this, so it takes much more space, and that way we'll have few of them in one page. Let's go in layout again. Oh shit, I think we expanded it too much, so we'll just go in layout again. Oh wait, design again, and we'll make it like this. Yeah, now we'll see how that goes. Oh shit, we just let me see. Let me see what difference does it make if I go in print preview. Yeah, it's the same thing. Now how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, we just have to reduce one, so I'll just expand it a bit more. Yeah, now let's see how that goes. Print preview 1 2 3 4. Oh yes, so now we have just like the the layout in the question papers, 4 on 2 columns and 4 on each side. So let me see if that is, yes, that is exactly how it looks. 1 2 3 4 and 2 columns. So that's it, and let's see what the next step is. Save and print these labels. Yeah, you can do that one. And produce an extract. Okay, so this is the new question. Produce an extract from all the data which selects only small cuts. So we'll do that. Now this one is an entirely new query, and it says that extract from all the data. So we'll just ignore all this. We have to create a new query again. So I close all this one because it's a distraction for me also. No, and delete this shit. So here we go, and oh yeah, we have to create a new query. So I think I'll delete this one because it's useless right now. Wait, no, delete this. It's open. Okay, delete this right now. What? Delete it right now. Okay, so now we are creating a new query again, and from this table, where is it? Create and a new query. Sorry about my beatboxing skills. And let me read the question papers again. Select only small kites of less than. Oh yeah, so we can do this in the what is it, criteria in the query. So I just select all of them. Next. Okay, next. Finish. So we have a new query over here. Let's go to the assignment. What does it say again? Small kites of less than size 3. That means that, oh wait, small kites of, what does this mean? Okay, less than size 3. So that means the criteria is in the size field, the less than 3. So let's go there and see what we can do over here. Oh yeah, size. So the criteria is less than 3. Let me see how that works. Less than 3. Oh, let me open my table again and to see where is it. Not this way. Yeah, see over here we can see less than has, this is the symbol for less than, this is the symbol for less than or equal to, more than or equal to, between, and that means between 4 and 8, for example, is equal to, that means is equal to. Okay, so what is it? Green cells can only be used as number fields or currency fields. So that means all the green highlighted functions can only be used on number fields and currency fields. You can't use them in the some other data types. And this one, or this is another function called or. That means low, for example, low or medium or high, for example. Like this one is another one. Like this basically stars means something. That means like, and write something. That means all of them will come together. Like all of the record will come because you have not put a specific condition over here. Like A, that means like starting with A and something. That means it will show all the records where the field start, and the records are starting with A and then it ends up with something, because this is something. Yeah, so we don't care what does it end with. It has to be something, but the starting has to be A. Like something A, that means it has to start with anything, but it has to end with A. So now let's go back in our axis and see what we can do. Less than 3, so that means less than 3. That done. And what's the next one? Those suitable for beginners. We'll write beginners. Where is it? What field was it again? Oh yeah, skill and beginner. Take very special care of the spelling, because if you misspell it and write beginners, there's no such field and there's no such record, and your results will be wrong. Let me see what is. Show only the field make model, size and price. That's easy. You can just untick all of the other one. Done. 10. Oh yeah, be careful not to delete them. This can have an impact on the let me see. Make model, size and price. Okay, not skill level. That done. And show only field. Sort the cards into ascending order of price. Oh, let's go in the price and write ascending. That done. Save this as a form which can be imported into a document that you save in the step 34. So let's go in 34 and see what is that. It is, oh, it is, oh, I think this looks like a Word document. So we'll come down, and where is it? Yeah, come down and see how we can export it. So first I think we have to save it. Oh, we can't save. Yeah, it will say, yeah, export. Now that was a Word document, so I think it's, let me see, where is that? Yeah, this is the format for Word document. So we'll just click on this, and yeah, we'll export it where we want. And so that is, so I think that's done. Just consider it done, and also import this data into. Okay, so I think this is good. I think the database, the Microsoft Access part ends over here, and now this starts with something else. So I think, so that was it, guys. And that was it for this tutorial. I hope you like it and enjoyed it, because I've shared some really important part tips and tricks on database access, and this tutorial took me a lot of time. So just comment, and just don't like just comment what you think about this tutorial and all that. So, oh yeah, and all the links will be in the description, all the important links, all the pictures and images which I have showed you as tips and tricks will be on in the they will all be in the description. And yeah, or if those of you who did not understand that whatever I did in this tutorial, they can see the PDF form step by step of the same question step by step PDF. So if you didn't understand anything, just click on the link of the PDF in the description, and you can see that step by step. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you understand, and just do well in the class test that is coming on, that is on the Sunday. So that's it, guys. Bye.